Hey guys, the storm had woke me up. I am looking at the weather right now. And I called them, like Channel 2, asked them if they had any tornado warnings. And the reason I've asked that is because of this. You hear that? That's our tornado sirens. There's no warnings. Why are our tornado sirens going off if there's no warnings? So I don't get it. Peanut, would you know why our tornado sirens are going off and there's no warnings? No? So I have no idea what to do. I have no idea. So I'll be back. Tornado sirens are still going off. Don't know what to do. No warnings. Well, found out that one of Okmulgee County's sirens is malfunctioning. So, or like one of the sirens. So, thank you, Okmulgee, for waking me up at 5 o'clock in the morning. So, yay. I think it's still going on. I don't know. Yep. Still going on. Okmulgee County, or Okmulgee Emergency Service, or whatever you want to call it. You're not doing your job. I digress. I guess, or whatever you want to say it. Yay. Well, I guess I'm going back to bed. So, good night all, or good day all if you're up. Do you have anything to say about this? No? Or are you just going to sniff your camera? No? Okay. You can still hear it if you listen real carefully. This is bad, guys. And hopefully I'm not the only one that's hearing this. But oh well. Good night, guys. Well, guys. It's a little bit later in the day. I'm drinking some pop to keep me up. Even though this is a non-caffeinated drink. So that probably won't help too much. It's still the same day as the tornadoes warning without a tornado warning, or tornado sirens without the tornado warning, which is annoying. Man, I'm out of shape. So, yeah. I'm actually heading towards there where I need to go so I can get a job. Or it's a meeting for me to help me to get a job. So yeah. don't really know what else to say. Just that the little deal with the tornado sirens was annoying. So I'll be back. And hopefully my friends from Assassin and Associates will help me out. And they've been helping me out so much. I do appreciate them. And I also appreciate DRS for helping me trying to get a job. It's been 3 years. Of course, you all know that. So I actually have an application in my bag for Covington aircraft mechanic thing. So hopefully I'll be able to be a mechanic for airplanes. Tearing it down will be the first thing that we do, or that I'll be doing if I do get the job. And I do apologize for the shakiness, so I'll be back.